See, family opening procedure, same, new, select your template. First of all you will select your folder, English, and we need metric generic model. You can select metric generic model, click on open. Today I will take only small topic. Why means we have only this parameters one and remaining this one, datum and work plane. Okay, after this one completed, just you can see here we have parameters, family types and family categories parameter. First of all, what is parameter? Why we need parameters? Parameters nothing but a controlling. Okay, here we can apply our dimensions like length, width, distance, each and everything we can control in our project. For example, I created one family with 3 feet and 7 feet height door. Okay, that condition in my actual practice condition I need 4 feet door, main entrance purpose. Okay, that condition I need to change my dimension in project. How can I change? When you mentioned here parameter, that condition changing is applicable, or otherwise that is not applicable. Clear na? That's why we need this one. Now I will show how can we create, sorry, how can we apply our parameters and how can you load into project. See, I will create one small model. See, this is my rectangle. Okay, if you need dimension you can apply dimensions 70. Okay. First of all, you can open your project once. Okay, this is our project. In this project I need to load that model before parameters application. Just go to this one. This is our model na? This model I know to load into the project. Just directly you can place it here and here and here, like this. Okay, but you can select your object or model. Now go to here, we have properties now. In this properties we have edit type here. Okay, go to this edit type. In this edit type, just you can see, you can observe this box very focus on this box. Here only we have identity data, we don't have remaining length, width, all this not there. Okay, I need length, width, height also in this box. Okay, that purpose we need to set parameters in family. When you set parameters in family, automatically coming at here, otherwise that will not come. Okay, now we can see, first of all go to your family. Okay, in this family I need to apply parameters. How can we apply parameter? Means just you can select your dimension, this one and this one and this one. First of all I need to do equal, means both sides we have equal portion. Now if you need dimension you can apply like this. We have 1 9 and 1 9. Again here also I need symmetric model, means both side equal portion. Just you can apply and click on equal. Again this one, this one. Now we know width and length. Okay, I know dimension. This dimension I need to convert it into parameter. Okay, how can we convert? Means first of all you can select your dimension. When you selected your dimension, automatically open like this. Here we have label dimension, right? In this label dimension we have this side create parameter. Okay, just you can click on this create parameter. Okay, here we have create parameter and you can apply your parameter name. For example length, you can mention length here. Okay, and click on okay. See, came length na. Again you can select this one, create parameter, apply width. Okay, then you can see length, width both are is there. Next I need height condition. You will go to the front view and press on ZG. Again you can apply your height here to here, 70 height is there. Select this one again and go to create parameter. You can apply height. Okay, then see, Next, go to the reference level. In case I need to change my all dimensions at a time, okay, already created into parameters. If you need to change your dimension, here we have family types and family categories and parameters. Now click on this family types. Okay, just you can see how many parameters you created, automatically seeing that all parameter. In project also you saw same box na, but in that project you have complete identity data, but here we don't have identity data. That is the difference. In family types, see, here we have don't have identity data. In that projects we have identity data. How many you created here dimension, in this box parameters, that much of parameters automatically updated into that model in edit type condition. Then you can edit easily, or you can control easily in your project. See, if you need to change, here also applicable. For example, I need this 100, this one I need 2000, this one I need 1500. Okay, at a time you can change, apply, all are changing, just you can see. If you need to see in 3D, you can go 3D. Okay, now in this condition you can reduce your scaling dimension, fine and shaded. See, this is our model now. Now clear na? Now load into project. Okay, already we loaded, that's why you can select this one, override the existing version and its parameter. Okay, now you can select this object, this model, go to edit tab. Now you can see updated these three parameters na, three dimensions na. That's way always you can mention, you can create any model, that's not a problem. When you need to control in your project, that condition definitely we need to apply our parameters, otherwise we can't control our model in our project. Okay, that is important here. Next, go to height. Okay, you can change height into 250, or you can change 2000 to 2500. Apply. Okay, automatically changing all na. For example, I no need this all, I placed 100 doors or 4 doors. In that 4 doors I need to change only one door, means I've placed 4 objects or 4 categories. See, these all are only single category. Okay, I need with different dimensions. For example, this is 2000, this is 2500 width, this is 1500, this is 1000. I need like this. Okay, that type of condition, what you need to do means we need to do duplicate first. Okay, after you can edit your model, just you can select this one and go to edit type. Here already we know dimension, that condition already we have family one, that name. You need to do duplicate. When you do duplicate, okay, if you need mention for, if you need name for this, you can mention name also, that's also possible. Just click on OK. Now we have two, family 1 family 2 1. Okay, family 2 purpose I need to change into, this is width 1000, okay, and this is 1500. Okay, then you can see only changed one item. Okay, in before condition, duplicate before condition, you changed one dimension but automatically changed all dimensions. Okay, that is the difference. You can remember this one also. Okay, again I will show one more model to you, just you can delete. I will show one more example. Okay, delete this all. Okay, now I will create one door or one fitting. For example, I need to create one fitting. Just blend. Okay, blend condition, I can apply my dimension, this one. How much means, for example, this is 600. Okay, this one is 400. Okay, now click on edit top. Again I need one more, just you can select this one, you can apply 100. Coming above now, I need -100. Okay, now you can specify your item, for example 450 height, then click on OK. This is my fitting, just you can see. Okay, for this fitting I need to apply dimensions or parameters. Go to the front. Here we need to apply only one parameter, remaining two is standard. This face is standard, this face is standard, just we need to change this one, this length. Okay, that condition what you do means directly you can select this one and this one. We have 450. Okay, you can select this one, go to create parameter, and you can apply. This is reducer, concentric reducer. You can mention concentric reducer. Okay, just show. Okay, then see concentric reducer. Now go to load into project or existing item. Again, sorry, place a component. Just click on place a component. See, this is our model now. See, like this. If you need to change this one, edit type, here we have only one possibility is there. Okay, these three remaining previous object already we have default now. If you don't need, you can delete, that's not a problem. If you need to change this one, directly you can change. Okay, go to north. See, for example, I need to duplicate this one, duplicate. Okay, again I need 600 this reducer. See, increase it now, like this. Okay, based on your requirement you can use, but for these reducers we need to mention our ducts, means connections. We need to give the connections also, otherwise they are not used. Okay, this one is parameters. Parameters nothing but a controlling. Okay, we can create our models in families, but we can control our models in projects. Okay, how can we control our models in projects means by using parameters. Okay, that parameters also we can set and we can create in our families. Okay, how many parameters you can mention in your family, that much of controlling you have in your project. That is important here. Okay, after parameter creation, this one is family categories and parameters, means that is which category. For example, you created a duct, you can select the duct accessories, duct fittings. For example, you created electrical fixtures, you can click on here. You created another, for example, column, doors, windows, you can select. Okay, based on category you can create that one also applicable, but we don't need now. Next, see here, here we have datum and the reference line, both is there, reference plane and reference line. Just go to front view. In this front view we have reference line 1, directly you can draw like this. Okay, if you need reference line cancel, go to the reference level. Reference line only for indication. If you need that one you can use, for example, any dimension reference, any normal reference, you can use that one like this. 3D condition also visible, that one. See, but reference planes 3D condition not visible. See, reference plane means, for example, I will go to the front. Okay, this is reference level or reference plane. Okay, I need to draw one more at here to here. I created, this is one more reference plane. If you need to mention name for this, for example, this is RP1. See, RP1 reference plane 1, just you can select, automatically highlighted this one, RP1. Okay, now I need to draw my sketch at this plane, not at this plane. Okay, I need to draw my sketch at this plane. How can we draw means, now go to the reference level. Okay, but here we have normal condition. How can we change means, here we have set plane. Just click on this plane, set plane. Here asking which plane you need to do work. For example, I need to do work in RP1. We created RP1. You select this plane and click on OK. Then you can draw extrusion your rectangle. Click on finish. If you need any dimension extra, you can mention that one. Finish. Then you can see in normal condition is not visible. Just go to front view. See, at reference RP1 condition. Clear na? This type of you need that condition you can apply. Okay, this is reference plane creation and reference line. Okay, same, remaining all are same. Just for this type of duplicate planes creation purpose we need this data. Okay, we created this one. In case I need to highlight that one, how can I highlight? Means here we have show work plane. See, this is our work plane. Go to the reference level. Now click on show work plane. This is our work plane. We can see our work plane also. This is work plane viewer. We can see our work plane like this in this view. Only for visibility, we no need this one. Again you can off this one. Okay, this is work plane. Next, load into project, load into project, close. Load into project means our components directly loaded into project. Okay, at the same time this one also opened, but you will take load into project and close means our models load into project, automatically your family category close. This one. Okay, which requirement you need, you can use that requirement. Okay, now tell me, is there any doubts in these families? Hello.